Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your car with a dash cam that keeps an eye on things while you're away, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best dash cams with parking mode, chosen for their video quality, sensor tech, and overall reliability. We're looking at everything from budget-friendly single-channel units to premium 4K systems that cover every angle. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. We're starting with the VIOFO A229 V3. This thing isn't flashy, but it's a workhorse. It packs a Sony Starvis sensor and an f1.6 aperture lens for crisp 1440p recording at 60 frames per second. Its parking mode is where it earns its keep, offering auto event detection and buffered recording. That means it saves footage from before and after a bump occurs. It's a budget-friendly choice that feels built to last. Feedback shows users love the clarity. It's actually good enough to read license plates. It's easy to install, and the GPS mount keeps data like speed and route embedded in the video. But it's not perfect. Some users report the recording performance is hit or miss, sometimes only grabbing short 17-second clips. Others have mentioned the adhesive on the mount can be stubborn in high heat. It's a truly dependable camera that just works for most people, but keep an eye on that mounting tape. Overall, it's a smart, value-driven pick for anyone needing reliable everyday protection without the high-end price tag.
If you need to see everything, the WOLFBOX i07 is a beast. This 3-channel setup records the front in 4K while keeping an eye on the cabin and the rear in 1080p. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or families who want 360-degree coverage. The infrared night vision uses IR LEDs to light up the interior, so you aren't just looking at a black screen at night. It's got built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, making it easy to pull clips onto your phone. People really like the premium build and the intuitive app. However, we've seen mixed feedback on long-term reliability. Some units seem to stop recording randomly or quit altogether after a few months. Also, because it's recording 3 channels at once, the memory card fills up fast. You're looking at about an hour of footage on the stock card. We recommend a high-end, larger card to handle the load. If you want total monitoring inside and out, this is a feature-rich solution, but it might need a little more maintenance than simpler cams.
Next is the REDTIGER F7N, a dual-channel setup that hits a sweet spot for performance. The front camera handles 4K, while the rear stays at 1080p. It uses a Starvis sensor and HDR tech to make sure nighttime footage isn't a blurry mess. One of its best features is the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. It's significantly faster than standard Wi-Fi found in budget cams, so you aren't waiting forever to download a clip. The consensus is that it's easy to set up, and the manual actually makes sense. It's a solid value for money option that could save you thousands in a dispute. But there's a catch. Some users report having to manually format the SD card every 2 weeks, or it just stops recording when the card gets full. There are also reports of connection issues with the phone app for some users. It's a well-made device with great clarity and excellent customer service backup, but it's a bit high maintenance. If you don't mind the occasional menu dive to clear the card, it's a great mid-range contender.
The VIOFO A229 Pro is for the video quality purists. It's a premium dual-channel system using dual Starvis 2 sensors. You're getting 4K in the front and 2K in the back with incredible dynamic range. The HDR tech is top-notch, balancing out bright highlights and dark shadows so license plates stay readable. Its parking mode is comprehensive, offering event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse options. It's basically built for 24/7 surveillance. Users rave about the low light performance and the voice notifications. It tells you when it starts recording instead of just beeping. Installation is straightforward, and most people find it well worth the money. On the flip side, we've seen reports of the unit quitting after a while, and the rear cable might be a bit short for larger SUVs. The app can be a little finicky, but for raw footage quality, this thing is hard to beat. It's a high-end system for drivers who refuse to compromise on clarity and want the best sensors currently available on the market today.
Finally, we have the THINKWARE ARC900. It also uses dual Starvis 2 sensors for 4K and 2K recording, but the 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen is the real star. It lets you change settings and watch clips right on the device without needing your phone. It's got 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers and dual HDR for better visibility in tricky lighting. It's a clean, professional-looking setup that feels like it belongs in a high-end car. Feedback highlights the and the overall reliability of the THINKWARE brand. It even includes a hardwire kit in the box. However, it doesn't include fuse taps, so you'll still need to grab those for a clean install. The app is okay, but it lacks a map view for your GPS data on mobile. It's also a bit larger than other cams, so it's not the most discreet option. If you want a premium, no-compromise experience with easy-to-use controls and road safety alerts that actually work, this is the one to get right now. And that wraps up the top 5 best dash cams with parking mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Check the links in the description for more details on any of these cameras. Thanks for watching, we really appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the next one.